What if I told you that every English sentence is built from just a few speech with simple examples, so by the end, you'll be able to identify them easily? Let's begin!
Parts of speech are the different categories of words based on the job they do in a sentence. There are 8 main parts of speech in English. The 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let's learn each parts of speech with examples. A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal, or thing. Example, look at the sentence. The girl reads a book in the library. Library, noun. Place, school, park. Animal, cat, elephant. Idea or feeling, love, happiness, instead of a noun. It helps us avoid repeating the same noun again. Common pronouns are I, you, he, she, it. Look at the sentence. She studies every day. Here, she is pronoun. He is my brother. We are learning English. It is raining. Remember, pronoun means a word that replaces a noun. Noun, Rahul. Pronoun, he. Rahul is happy. He is smiling. A verb shows action, occurrence, or state of being. Run, she runs every morning. Sleep, the baby sleeps. And she is happy. Look at these examples. The boy runs fast. She is happy. The girl reads a book. Remember, verb means action. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Look at the sentence. She has a beautiful dress. Here, beautiful describes the noun dress. And that brings us to the end. Today we learned nouns, pronouns. We'll continue in our next class. Try to find these in a sentence around you. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and practicing.